many people they're facing the issue like, don't bullshit, just tell me which app is the best so that I can avoid the issue. If you guys previously you bought from those Chinese app, you may realize that they have some issues. Sometimes they give you the wrong quantity, the wrong qualities, the wrong size, everything. Sometimes they didn't respond you, so you just want to know like, just tell me which app is the best. Before you get answer, I try to make my voice shorter, like 1 minute, 2 minutes. Just watch my video and then you will get answer. Before I disclose the answer, I want to talk about their competitors, like except for those apps, 168, Taobao, which app you can use in China. Actually, for the majority of Chinese, we are using Taobao and Zhifubao. Why we use Taobao? Because Taobao is the first app in China over the B2C online shopping. It's like maybe I cannot remember the year, maybe 20 years ago. Everyone they have it. That is the reason that Taobao they have the largest customer pool. And if you want to make a payment, probably you need to use a bank card. It's very shit. So, but and if you want to make payment, of course you need to use Alipay. So that is why for every Chinese they're very familiar with these two apps. But if you're a business person, of course we need to use the B2B app like 168. If you're constantly using this app, you may find issue like the quality issue, or sometimes you're price sensitive. That's why for people, if they care more about the price, I mean for the price sensitive customer, then they go to this kind of app. In China, it's called Pinduoduo, but they have English versions, the team, and they offer you the noise quality stuff. But how do you say, the price is the best. Even for the factory, sometimes they are astonished. Like, you're price sensitive, you just go to this one, but don't expect a good quality. Previously, we hate this kind of apps. Like if people they refer this app to me, I would say, hey, fuck you. If you send this kind of app to me, send a link to me, I will block you on my social media. Something like this. For the Chinese, I mean, 5 years ago, even 3 years ago, we hated it. But finally, we need to compromise. You know, for this kind of app, they got a sponsorship from WeChat Pay, so you can see the advertisement flooded everywhere in China, Chinese social media. Finally, we need to compromise. And now what I'm doing is, if I just buy some like the garbage bags, it has nothing to do with your health, right? So we can use it. And if I want to buy like iPhone, Samsung, of course I don't want to use it. All this app, I feel all the items from this apps, I don't trust the quality. Even they told you this is 100% is original, but we don't trust it. So for me as a Chinese, if my budget is like under $5, maybe I would try to buy from this app. But like, I mean, for the cheap stuff, for example, the garbage bag, as I said, then I'll go to this kind of apps. But if I'm buying the clothes, I go to the branded shop. If I buy the smartphone, I go to if I buy the smartphone, I go to another app. That's why. So in China, this market is divided into different sectors. Like for the majority, they're using Taobao, and if you're price sensitive, you go to this app. Don't expect the quality, but you can get a very good price. And if you are very careful with the quality, we go to this kind of app as a JD.com. All my expensive stuff like iPhone, the MacBook, I go to this kind of app. Even some people they try to bring down. They say, hey, they also have some quality issue, blah blah blah. But the stereotype for this kind of app, they are giving you the guarantee. So if your budget like over $200 or more than that, then of course this is the best solution. Don't be price sensitive if you don't want to be scammed. So let me repeat again. For Taobao, this is for the majority of Chinese. If you want to buy some like for one piece of t-shirt, just go to this kind of app. And if you're a business person, you want to buy in big quantity, you go to a 168. Why? Because on B2C shop, they give you very quick response. Like if you want to ask them the price, They need to respond to you very quickly because this is for the B2C service. They must respond quickly. This is the rule. Otherwise, they will be fine. But for the B2B business, sometimes you send them inquiry, they didn't respond very quickly. Maybe after 1 or 2 days, they respond you. And if they know that your quantity is very nice, they don't have much interest. They just told you like, hey, just order, just my app. Don't bargain. But for the foreigner, they have their delusion. They try to exert more efforts to bargain, even they just want 2 pieces of the t-shirt. I think it's kind of waste of time. And if you are very price sensitive, you don't care about the quality, and then you go to this kind of app. Yeah. But my suggestions, yeah, I swear, my suggestion, if you want to buy the very good stuff, don't go this kind of app. But if you want to buy the garbage bag, yeah, it's no issue. It's no issue. Don't buy the food from this app. And if you care more about the quality, go to this kind of app. Just remember, get what you paid for.